Good afternoon, viewers. This is one of my farms in the southwest region of Nigeria. About to treat the topic of injection, precisely subcutaneous injection. I will be administering subcutaneous injection for my 3 piglets this afternoon. We have various types of injection. We have subcutaneous injection, we have intramuscular injection, and we also have intravenous injection. Just to mention these 3 types of injection. I actually want to tell you how to administer subcutaneous injection. What is a subcutaneous injection? A subcutaneous injection is the type of injection that you inject under the skin of the animal. So what do we want to achieve? This is Ivanol. It's a type of dewormer. As you know, we have different types of dewormer, but precisely we are using Ivanol to deworm these piglets today, which is a type of subcutaneous injection as it is mentioned earlier. To be precise and to focus on what we want to achieve, we just want you to know how the subcutaneous injection is being administered for effective results. When you hold the piglet or the pig, it is not only meant for piglet alone. You can give the boar, you can give the sow, you can give growers, you can give piglets. So we are giving piglets subcutaneous injection today. So you hold the pig. You hold the pig at the ear. If you are able to press the skin so that you can actually be sure that the injection is going under the skin. We are good. It's better. Let's have a look. It is going right under the skin. This is a subcutaneous injection. Then I administer it. You press the spot as the injection was given. Good. I actually do the same to the next pig. I've administered that on this one. You can see they are holding the piglet at the tip of the head. I don't necessarily need to press it because it's something that I do every day. But for you that are just starting, you can always press it and give it directly to the lower part of the head. Sorry, this was touching up his neck, and I never wanted to touch it.